What's going on, guys? And today I'll be going over how to get free gift cards using Bing Rewards or Microsoft Rewards. Let's go over. But as you can see, I have 492,507 lifetime points. Keep that number in mind, guys. So 492,507 points. And in order to redeem, let's do a $5 Amazon gift card. So in order to redeem that, they have a little bit of everything, as you can see. Microsoft Rewards, Surface Books, Galaxies, Target gift cards, Xbox Game Passes, Surface Pros, Xbox One S. You can donate your money. A whole lot on Microsoft Rewards. And I've been doing this for quite some time. I would say probably a few years. That's why I've accumulated so many points. But yeah, as you can see, you can pretty much give your money to a lot of donations. Xbox stuff, Xbox Live Gold memberships, Xbox Game Pass, Microsoft stuff, Skype, and what I'm here for, the Amazon gift card. As you can see, the $5 Amazon gift card is 5,250 points. And if we go back, here's the loads up. But yeah, as you see, you guys see those lifetime points, 492,507. Now, if we were just to divide that, 492,507 divided by how much a $5 Amazon gift card is, which is 5,250 points. So that would equal to 93 $5 gift cards, which equals $469 I've made using Microsoft Rewards. Free. All free gift cards. So this is definitely legit. It definitely works. But I'll show you guys the easy way I do it every single day. You just go to rewards. Each day it's gonna have, different tasks, because you can see I did everything today. But what I usually do is, this is that. I would click on that, do that. Light speed quiz, supersonic quiz. It don't matter. You can do it randomly. You can get as many wrong as you want. You'll still get the points. So let's do this real quick. Do everything. Daily poll, everything. And as you can see right here, it says daily search. You can do it on the PC too, but you actually need to have a computer in order to do the method I'm about to show you, and the mobile search. So pretty much what I do for the mobile search is I pretty much hit the blue Bing icon, hit the search. You can pretty much just type in anything, like type in YouTube videos or maybe something even longer. YouTube videos, Baby Shark, right? And what I pretty much do is click on the top, hit back, hit go, click on the top, hit back, hit go. Pretty much just keep doing this, and this counts as each time you do this, it counts as 5 points towards $100 daily. So you do the math on how many times you have to keep doing this. Press back, go back, search. This is pretty much how I just do all my searches, because each time I do this real quick, it counts as a search. So once I'll be done that, go back to my rewards, and then my daily mobile search will be done. And I just do that every day. As you can see, from what this record says, I have been doing this for 112 days, even though I've been doing it for longer than that, actually. I just probably missed like a day and then I had to reset my streak count. But I've been pretty much doing this faithfully every single day. Every single day I wake up. So as you can see, I've had $469 in free Amazon gift cards. So this is a free way to get gift cards, Microsoft gift cards, Skype, even donations, anything you really want. So I've been using Microsoft Bing Rewards for many years. It's legit. So I definitely recommend. All right, guys, till next time. I'm out.